Hi guys, welcome back to the tech room. My name is Faiza and I have with me software engineers, Nation, did I get it? And Eriko. So we're going to discuss about bugs, not the ones in your room, by the way, right?
There could be those too.
No,
There
not
are
the
other
ones.
reasons.
No, not the ones. So what are bugs though?
So in this case, we are talking about software. So when you're building an application and there's a way you are expecting the application to work, and when it is working in the contrary, so that is a bug.
That's all. Anything else?
Well, yeah. Well, just maybe to they also the ones in your room. Those are bugs too. Well, for my take, it's just that something that disturbs my peace, like those bugs disturbing mosquitoes. Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Yes, those are bugs.
So does it like prevent you from like working when you develop like when you get a bug? Like how do you solve it? Or how do you go about tackling it? That's the right word.
You have, I have 3 ways of how I try to fix bugs whenever I meet them. So we have using breakpoints. So within your application, so your code executes line by line. So when you're trying to identify a bug, you use breakpoints to identify like where that bug is. So the program will run, and then when it meets a breakpoint, you will know that this is the place where the bug is at which line. So that is the first step. So the first step is identifying the bug. So after getting identified, the other way you can use prints. So you print some statements on the console, or if you are expecting a value, you print that value. If you are not getting that value, you know that maybe there's a problem somewhere. So you first identify. When you get to identify the bug, it's like you've already solved it. The other method is using, so these tools that we use to develop software, they come with ways to help you identify bugs and fix them. So we have a debug console that helps you to identify those bugs and fix them.
Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot. But can you like run a system without having bugs? Like, is it possible to have a system with no bugs at all?
Yeah, it's possible, but it will have to be tested, proved, like it has gone through a lot of what is describing, so that ideally we've cleared all bugs. Yeah, and then now the system just runs. We have one type of bug that is the worst.
Which one is
The
that?
worst.
But you said you like bugs.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you
like
said
bugs.
you like them. They keep you up at night, right? So why is it that you're stressing now?
The reason I like bugs is the opportunities to learn. Yeah, sometimes some bugs are not absolutely like the engineer's fault. You just didn't know, yeah? And then something happens and you have this massive red text on your screen. You don't know where to begin, yeah? But probably it's something you just don't know. And then in a bid to fix it, you get to learn this new thing, that new thing. Oh, this is how we do these things. So I made a mistake here, maybe, you know? Then you get to learn next time, that bug won't be a bother to you. Not like the first time.
So, and maybe another, this is more of a tip on how to fix bugs.
Yeah.
So when you realize that a bug is taking too long to fix, maybe you're in a rabbit hole, you can't quite get it. So you can take breaks, you go outside, you can go for walking, and then come back.
How does that even help you? Because when you go for the walk, won't you not still think about the bag? Like,
so when you take a walk,
yeah.
you freshen up your mind,
Mm-hmm.
and then when you come back, you find that it was maybe even you had missed even a comma or
Those are the worst.
yeah.
Typos.
Typos. Yeah, so clearing your mind can help reduce your time to fixing bugs. The other thing is maybe sleeping, taking a rest or a nap.
Yeah.
Again, to add on the tips,
Yes.
with what Nation said, it's always good to ask for help. Sometimes you might be suffering with a bug for hours. But someone else encountered the bug and found a fix.
Yeah.
So when you share your problems, you find that it could direct you, or they could direct you in a better place to help you fix the bug.
And this can be anyone, or it
Yeah.
has to be
Yeah,
a
so,
software
so
engineer.
the good thing with software engineers is I like the part of the reason why I like to be being a software engineer
Yeah.
is because we guys will help each other. Yeah, we've even created a whole system that is there to help us fix bugs.
Yeah.
It's called Stack Overflow.
Oh,
So
nice.
when you encounter a
You said
problem,
what? It's called what? Stuff?
Stack Overflow.
Stuff. Okay.
Yeah. So when you encounter a problem, and as you said, you might have found someone that has already fixed it. So you just go to the site, the error that has come on your console, you go and paste it. Then you will see some answers from Stack Overflow, and they have a check, a tick, so that this solution is the one that works for this specific problem.
And it's free.
Yeah, and it's other guys.
It's
Yeah, it's
free.
free. And it's other guys who have actually undergone through the bug and actually came and found that this works. So they say this works for me.
this works.
Another one said this works for me. So eventually it becomes the correct answer to a bug.
And they show you methods on how to do it from start to end.
You can literally copy code there
And paste
just paste it and it works.
Yeah.
it.
There's also I've encountered guys who when they just do something and their screen is full of red stuff and they're like, no, I don't want to see this, but I don't know what to say. I think that thing has treasure. Is where you get the information of what's really happening. Some guys don't like to go through this. They will call it a stack trace. This is like a trace of how the bug came to be. So some guys don't like to see that evidence. They just I'm facing a bug. They can't even describe what it is. But the information is in that red text. So you find some technologies don't provide a lot of stack trace. So maybe even solving some bugs becomes quite a pain. Like some low-level languages. Most high-level languages they do quite a good job at exposing what went wrong.
The modern languages.
Which is quite helpful. So guys, you should not be afraid of the stack trace. It should be your
Tell
best.
them one more time. They should hear you. They should hear you say it one more time.
Look at the stack trace. That's what the problem is.
Yeah, so also on top of Stack Overflow, we have communities. Like, for example, me, I'm in a community of, we have a community, let's say of this language, you identify with those engineers. So in those groups, guys post the bugs they're encountering, how you can do stuff that you don't know. So, and they help you out with the answers.
Wow, you guys are making me want to be a software engineer.
It's good fun.
I'm looking towards that career now, but I can't do that.
We
But
care about each other.
That's so nice. I want to be part of it. Okay, fine. So, this is the end of this episode, guys. Follow us on all platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and catch us every Monday, 7:30 a.m. Bye.
Bye.